So where we are already on to this question. We want to solve this question as an additional example to what we have done earlier. What we want to do here is, I told you something. We use the square term to multiply the constant term first. Where we now have plus 6 s squared. Please, I'm specifying the sign before this so that you know what you are looking for. Like what this man did just now, he was having challenge with not knowing that you must align with your product term of your square term and your constant term. Yeah, we are going to list out a factor of this first. So you know it's in terms of x. So we are going to have x, 2 can go, 3 can go, then 6 can go. So we've been able to list out the factors of 6 here. From this list of numbers of factors, we will now get two terms that can form equivalent for this. Those two terms, when we multiply it, it must also give us plus 6s squared. Do we understand? We pick two numbers, factors from the factor. It is a guide, like I said. Those factors is just a guide for us to get two numbers that we can use to form an equivalent for what is the x term. Then, when we multiply those two numbers also, it will also give us plus 2s squared. If you don't have knowledge of algebra, of multiplication of numbers, you will not know what is happening here. I think that's why mathematics is always a building process. You don't just jump one process to another. Let me go from here. So what I've seen here, I discovered that 3s plus 2s can go. If you add 3 plus 3s plus, don't forget, even if I don't write it there, invisible plus is there. Plus 3s plus 2s will give us what? Plus 5s. Before we can now say we can substitute it for plus 5s, let's see whether we multiply plus 3s times plus 2s, whether it will give us plus 6s squared. Will it give us that? Yes. Because if we multiply plus 3s times plus 2s, it will give us plus 6s squared. We will now say this is a good substitute for plus 5s. So in the place of plus 5s, we are going to use what? Plus 3s plus 2s in the place of 5x, because it's an equivalent. Don't forget. We will now say s squared plus 3s plus 2s plus the 6 that was there before equal to 0. And don't forget, we are grouping these two terms. We are going to factorize this one first. S is what is common in both cases, plus 3. Then we group these two also. We discover that 3 is what can go, 2 is what can go into both of them. Now what? Plus 2, open bracket, s plus 3. Don't forget, how do you do this? 2 into 2s, you have x remaining inside the bracket. Don't forget, like when I was teaching you factorization before. 2 into 6 will give us what? 3. Can you see that? Then the arrangement, don't forget, is now s plus 2. Then close bracket, s plus what? 3. And when you do this, we can equate each term to 0. That is, s plus 2 equal to 0, which will now give us s equal to what? Minus 2. Then we now say s plus 3 equal to 0. S is equal to what? Minus 3. This is gotten from simple equation. If you have been following up, that when you equate it, when 2 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2. This one, when 3 crosses the equality sign, becomes what? Minus 3. The simple way of solving simple equation. That is, what's the question?
Root x plus 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket 1.
We are factorizing. This one is common. Common, you bring it 1 because it's common. It's common to the two terms. Do you understand? These ones that are outside will now form another term. Do you understand? Because this one is common to both terms. So it's just like you are saying, see it. You are saying s plus x. In another term, you can bring it as, okay, let me say 2x for instance now. Because they are common, you bring the s out. Can you see that now? You now have 1 plus what? 2. Do you understand? Do you understand? So what is common, you bring it outside. This one that are, they will not form another term. That's exactly what you are seeing there. This one, they are common. Common. One. Then this one that are outside, form another term. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Then there's a question I saw here that has to do with, there's one question you gave me, you have 2x, check your notes. I think I'm seeing something like this in your notes. 2x, check your Peter, there's a question that is there. To the one that the coefficient of this x term, the square term is more than 1. Check. Plus minus 5x, minus 5x minus 3 equal to what? 0. See, yes, then you don't need to blame them. Most sometimes they don't understand. See, you must understand